Hello guys, it's Infinity and welcome back to the Infinity experience. Now I am in a specific part of Kiev. It's a place called Vadanha Park. It's actually one of the biggest park in Kiev, and I just want to show you around to have an idea where I am. You can see today is a special day. Today they have a festival called the Atlas festival, which is actually for a week, and they have so many artists, different type of music. Mostly they are Ukrainian stars, and something I haven't experienced yet, so I'm going to go inside and see this type of music and this culture. I would recommend you to come to Vadanha Park because it's a very beautiful place. There's like restaurants, they have cafes. It's huge, it's like a forest by itself, and it's a really good place to come and relax and just spend a relaxing Sunday or Saturday with your friends. I live closely actually to this park, so I come very often. And if you want to come to the Vadanha Park, it's a very easy. You just have to take the metro. It's the blue line, and it's after the station called Vasilivsky. I'm not sure if pronounced is correct, but it's the station after Vasilivsky. I don't know even the name of this station, the next one. As you can see, there are so many people coming to this place. Actually, it's a great place to also meet people. It's people are here coming to have fun, listen to music, so you can come, and actually even if you're alone you can make friends. People are very friendly, and it's a great spot to come and socialize, relax, and just enjoy being in Kyiv. As I noticed, most people, the foreigners themselves, when they come here, they don't care to, not everyone, when they come they don't really want to engage with the culture or engage with a different part of Kiev or Ukraine. So I advise you, I recommend you to, if you come here, try to have the full experience and explore new places and new areas, and you'll be surprised of what you will be, what experience or what things you're gonna come across. You're gonna learn a lot, you're gonna understand better, and have a better understanding of the country you are visiting. So I totally recommend you to follow this advice. Now I am at the door and I'm going inside.